Hello, and welcome to Recipes with Ben. As I mentioned in my last video, I'm showing you vegetarian-friendly recipes for the holidays. The next one in the series is cranberry sauce. This is so simple and only takes 3 ingredients and about 10 minutes to make. Cranberry sauce can be made ahead of time, so skip out on buying the canned stuff and just make it yourself because it'll taste so much better. So to start, what you'll need is 12 ounces of fresh cranberries and an orange. Begin by slicing the orange in half and reel the fruit inside, and then juice that sucker. This recipe calls for 1 whole orange to be juiced right down to the skin, and that yields about 4-ish ounces of juice that you'll use in the next step. Once you're done juicing both halves, it's time to move on to the cranberries. And add them in a 1-inch deep saucepan, catching any that bounce out, and heat them over medium to medium-low heat. Then pour the freshly squeezed orange juice over the cranberries and allow them to come up to a simmer. Before the cranberries started to break down and release their juices, the orange juice in my case was getting a little spottery, so I covered them for about 10 seconds until the cranberries started to break down. And then to assist in breaking down the cranberries, once they started to soften, I used a potato masher to break them open and release juice inside. Now, cranberries themselves are pretty tart, so to help balance that out, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Or if you want yours a little bit sweeter, increase the amount of maple syrup, or you can even add sugar, and mix that into the sauce. Then all you have to do is let it simmer away on low heat for about 10 minutes, and it's ready to serve. It can be enjoyed hot, or it can be jarred and placed in the refrigerator. So, as I said before, it can be made ahead of time. Feel free to scale this up and make more depending on the size of your feast, as about 12 ounces of cranberries yields only about 6 ounces of sauce, as it cuts in half due to the simmering. But regardless, this will taste way better with minimal effort, as it has the 3 main flavors going on with it, which is tart from the cranberries, citrusy from the oranges, and sweetness from the maple syrup. So with all that said, smash that like button if any of this was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you again soon.